So hello, how are you all today? Now we are again with SS regarding to your Ekam Kasari chapter number 17, and we were with unemployment on page number 142. Now we will continue. Please go through your book. One lesson full is remaining and the date is coming nearer and nearer. I would like to be literally a little bit fast towards these all things. Labour Minister of Indian government and state government have implemented ambitious program like Make in India. Made in India and Make in India is differ. Skill India and Digital India to exchange knowledge, understanding, enthusiasm and work capacity of youth along with industrial development for the education and training programs has been started to develop skill. Technical colleges and universities have been set up nationwide. So one new motto has been given by the government, Make in India, to develop education, technical schemes, technical projects. Many colleges, universities, even some in villages, some kendras are being started over there by the government. They should provide education facility as per vocational curriculum and modern technology. Efforts are being made to fulfill requirement of employment through near curriculum, yeah, we can say curriculum in schools and colleges. Vocational and technical education, vocational trainings are given by government in villages even too. You can go through this thing, and technically those who are in good science, they can develop their ability towards the technical college, technical school. Even ITI is there, degree, diploma regarding any field, mechanical or many fields are there. So now as present, higher institutions like IIT and IIM are being established in most of the state of our country. Indian Institute of Technology and Indian Institute of Management, both are the topmost, as I have declared in my last session here lecture did about some person, though they were the topper, they went to their own businesses, so that they can give employment to many such kinds of people, those who are interested, those who are needy. So you can go through it. This IIT target this thing, IIT and IIM. Even Jay sir would like to appreciate every student of science, even to I think so break IIT, break IIM. Once you are there, once you get this degree, you are the boss. You can just imagine your packages, your salaries. Even you can establish your own businesses after this degree. But you need lots and lots of education. You need lots and lots of hard work. Target is there for IIM, IIT. Then start from today onwards. You can achieve your goal by doing this, by going to these institutes, world best institutes, one of the world's famous, best, we can say. You just can't imagine that how study is going on. The whole year, yet for your 2 years, if you are working hard just for your entrance for this course, then you will be succeeded. So let's go further. Government has opened new areas of employment to plant manpower. Lot of employment opportunity is there in computer technology, information technology, pharmaceutical business, management, packing and processing, outsourcing, marketing, catering, event management, office management, hotel management, share stock market, etc. So vast field is there regarding to you. To us, we can say, regarding to us, a vast field is there. You can make your career in any field regarding this thing. So new curriculum has been set up in the universities fulfilling local requirement. Accordingly, curriculum of education, training and teaching has been changed so that in many fulfillment the requirement of job in future. At the end of acquiring education, short-term diploma or certificate courses have been started to fulfill the need of manpower like coals in spinning, weaving, tanning, plumbing, radio, TV, fridge, mobile, AC repairing, etc. So those who are thinking that technically they are sound, technically they are good, but they are not much more interested in other subjects. Yeah, some of the boys, yeah, some of the girls, or some of the students, I would like to say that they are not interested perfectly in the education, yeah, learning more, yeah, this teaching field. So they got the small courses, they can do the small courses given by the government. You can just go through ITI section and you can develop your own technical field. So as a result of revolution in the field of automobile, electronics, computer science, genetic science, aerospace, robot making, new courses have been started in order to produce skilled artisans, engineers and technicians. It is tried to provide loan at least rate of interest to the entrepreneurs under Startup India for promoting new businesses. Mutual coordination has become possible because of cooperation between local industry and training institutes, so that as per local requirements, supply of labor could be made for generating employment, and in place of white collar job, self-employment should be fostered with government's economic help. Government helps you in terms of startup also, as I had just mentioned you in the last two sessions over there, that in startup, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a starter of the business, you can go through, you will get loan in particular low rate, and you can develop yourself, your own business, your own empire too. In the field of technology, you can go through it. You can invent something, you can make some projects, and you can go through the government. You will get the most benefit that you have never ever think apart. For this purpose, such an environment and proper and strong structure should be created that educational courses and educational expenses become cheaper and admission becomes easy. For this, what happened? Education becomes cheaper, even the technical based education is there, it becomes cheaper and cheaper and easier, and you can go through a vast empire, as I told. Number 8 one is that it is necessary that new business industry should be set up for industrial growth and generating of new employment opportunities. Investment is essential along with development of skill, cooperation to increase entrepreneurship among youth. In order to promote opportunity of self-employment, government has started many plans for providing of financial help and low rate of interest for small investment. So if you are a beginner for a particular business, yeah, technical business, yeah, in any field, computer is there, most large fields are there, pharmaceuticals is there, nowadays agri-based industries are developing too much. You can go through it, you can make agriculture as your business too, as your profession too. If you go through BSc agriculture, yeah, if you go through this, I forgot, yes, there is a vast scope for MBA in agriculture. You know, dairy industry is developing many. You just go through the TV news, then you can just recognize that many ways are there for your life. Many businesses are regarding to agriculture, computer, paramedical, medical, pharmaceutical. Many vast fields are there due to education and due to financial help of government. Where I forgot. Okay, government has started many plans for providing a financial help at a low rate of interest for small investment for various purposes to purchase, implement small margin, raw material or office furniture initially, along with the help of selling product goods. Efforts have been started to widen to provide technical and commercial knowledge, marginal managerial skill help with the efforts of bank, economical help of financial institutes, economical easy loan, facility, local businessmen and welfare organization. Women have been provided self-employment by setting up household industries. Thus, coming out of the traditional business is a new form of member of family was prepared with expanded the horizon of new business and industrial sector. Industrial sector, I think. Industrial sector. So you can do your business with your own goods, with your own needs. Every need is fulfilled by government. Whatever help, even they provide lab to you, even they provide material to you, even before a few days I have visited Udyog Bhavan at Gandhinagar. Udyog Commissioner, I was with Udyog Commissioner of whole Gujarat. Even he told that we will help you for collaboration of your product to other companies too. So you just can imagine that how much they used to help us. Government helps us with different schemes. No doubt it consumes times, but you can develop yourself even if you are in a small subjective financial sector. Though you can get all the benefits, it is little bit time consumed, but there is no failure. You can win and develop your industrial market, your own business. Now number 9. Employment Exchange Center work as a chain between unemployment and owners who were in search of such youth who were looking for employment, laborers, workers or educated skilled and unskilled labor. This organization provides authentic information regarding registration of educated unemployed, this place and the type of work. It gives guidance in choosing one's own career. These centers provide sufficient information through magazines like Rozgar Karkidi. It provides free services through Model Career Center and helpline number 1800-425-1514 helps people by providing them important information, skill programs, employment fair, etc. So government has produced a scheme. There is a one full organization over there for the unemployed educated person. You have to just go through, register your name and with your all documents, scan over there, and whenever there is a fair, whenever there is a need of particular person like you, then government gives you the hint. It helps you to get your job, your business, etc. They have given your particular number, toll-free number, just for your information. Dial this number. What does it say in this thing? How you can get the help for your future. Till 2015, there were 947 employment exchange centers in our country, in which till 2013, 468.283 lakh unemployed had registered all over the country, while in Gujarat, 8.30 lakh unemployed had registered their name. So, in Gujarat also we got Employment Action Center, Rozgar Samiti, we got over there. You have, just as I told earlier, register your name and you will definitely get a very good help from the particular organization. It helps in ease and us too. Now, world labor market. This point is one of the important point as you get questions. World labor market, obviously. I had checked many papers for the future. One question comes about WLM, World Labor Market. Labor market. What is World Labor Market? When change of labor in that among nations of the world, it is called world labor market. Please underline this. When the change of labor, why the Indians are running over, they are rushing over towards foreign countries? Why? As you have seen, lots and lots of laborers are migrating from India to America, Canada, US, UK, many countries. Around whole world you will find any Indian. In any country, any part of any country, you will find an Indian over there. Why? This is the exchange of labor. Here, when change of labor is there among nations of the world, it is called world labor market. When laborers migrate from one country to another for employment, business, training or higher education, it is called movement of labor at international level. As many students used to go to for further studies, it is also one type of, he or she is also called one type of labor, international labor. So for education, for work, for different projects also we used to go to foreign countries, and that is exchange of labor internationally. Then workout of brain power for education, knowledge, higher technical knowledge and skill development in search of more income, more facility, better job in brain drain or migration at the international level. So obviously we can see that America consumes lots and lots of Indian scientists over there. Why they used to go there? Why these high profile brains are running over from India to there? Because of more money, more facilities that are being given by the American government, any government over there. As you can understand, if a person earns 1 rupee over there out of India, we will take example of US dollar, now it might be up to 80. So when it comes to India, that 1 rupee will transfer into 80 rupees. $1 will transfer into 80 rupees. So you can understand, if you are earning $1 lakh per year in America, when you come to India, it will be $80 lakh in your pocket. So in terms of more money, our brains are migrating towards the international level. Now, because of increasing social status, recently country-wise mobility of labor become popular in a northward manner as a result of migration to other countries or due to permanent settlement of intelligent and talented people who have spent lot of money on them, facing a great flow of personalities having talent and intelligence, technical knowledge and scientific attitude. So in terms of, as they have spent lots and lots of money regarding to their talent, they migrate from India to other country for money and their fulfillment of life and whatever they need. As a result of globalization and liberalization, a new situation has started arising in our economy. In the present time, demand for people having knowledge and skill in information technology, communication technology, biotechnology, computer or medical has increased. Many countries are appointing such people who have special qualification and skills, trained experts, laborers and experts. They adopt attractive tactics and practices with high perks. Industrial firms send their employees to foreign countries to obtain requirement qualification, knowledge and skill so that they may survive the competition. So nowadays, globalization, liberalization, as you have seen that now any person in one day we can go to America and come back. So the means of transportation, means of communication with your smartphone, you can go anywhere. If you go through Google, you can search anything. So many brains, good brains, dignified brains, we can say, they move towards to another country, either might be for training either might be for certain educational knowledge, etc. Either might be for working to get more and more money and facilities. Even companies, different companies in India, they used to send their people, yeah, for further training because of globalization, because of modernization, because of liberalization, because of upgraded and updated techniques. This is a part of international migration. Like country receives foreign exchange as part of income due to migration of people to foreign countries for job. Even country India, for example, gets the more benefit as people move towards other country. They give foreign exchange when they return. So in terms of the money, monetary stability, one part is considered over there of profit to the government too. Because of the flow of foreign money into our country, in the way problem of foreign exchange is solved to certain extent. So as people move here and there towards for their own business or their own knowledge for education, yeah, any terms, we get the problem of foreign exchange, foreign money exchange, etc. has been solved over there. So government also is benefited by this thing, that people migrate, people go, people make their future, people make money due to foreign. By going to foreign countries, it helps the government too. Even government also help if you want to go for your further study after even 10, 12, if you want to go for your degree, diploma, or anything else, government helps you. It provides loan at a lower rate for MBBS and many courses for MBA, whatever you want to go, whatever you like, whichever field you select, government helps you in the form of money, in the form of loan, in the form of subsidies are given. Even today subsidies are one part, and a facility that when you return to India and when you are in a good position, yeah, when you are in a good job, you have to repay that money in short, in a terms as you like. Example, if you are taking 30 lakhs of loan and going towards any Russia, America, UK, anywhere, Canada for MBBS, yeah, MD, yeah, further study. When you return, when you establish yourself properly in India, then after 6 months the installment of loan starts. So for these 4 to 5 years, 6 years, government is providing you. Government is providing you financial support too. For technical based person, government helps too much for bringing machineries, and lots of facilities are being given by the government. So here in this chapter we have seen poverty and unemployment, two demons that are ever on the head of the government, ever on the head of people of India. So we can change the system, we can change the poverty, we can go through this thing. Many facilities, many yojanas of government are being devised. Just what we have to do, just implement the process of government. No doubt it takes little bit of time, you have to move here and there, but you are succeeding. So by our efforts, as you all are the new generation, the rising star of India, you can change the world and kill this demon, destroy this demon of poverty and unemployment, as we have promised to the World Bank that till 2030, there will be no poverty in India. So God graces us, and we all being together fight against this thing and achieve our goal. Till then, thank you very much.